right? We are going to open that. See? So hard.
Bruh.
I got it. Okay. Now, open it. Wait, what's that? What's that? Sit now. What's that? Get out of the way. We're going to do this. Wow. Wait. Where's that? Wow. This nice and clean. Get out. Get out, you tapes. Get out. See? You love it, guys? There's one more. Done. Now we go open it by myself. First, we need a lock. 15 edges to open it, I guess. It said made in China. So bored of China. I miss this days in there. What's that? Okay. And we're going to what we going to do now? Okay. Good. Okay. There's so ouchie. Made us so ouchie. Ow. Ow. Sakit. I can remove tape. Wait. I need to break that box. Okay, we're gonna do this.